Today I'm going to compare the readings of 3 different Gauss meter or magnetometers. First device over here is a very basic magnetometer. The second has about the same build-up, but with a digital display. The third device down here is the M-Test LL from Maurer Magnetic. It has been specifically developed to measure residual magnetism. A further tool I'm using is a magnetic viewer here. With the magnetic viewer you can see magnetic fields on parts. For example here on this large roller. As you can see, there is no pattern. That means it's quite a homogeneous magnetization. It has a dipole magnetization with one pole here and another pole on the bottom. With the M-Test LL, I get about 3.2 Gauss. This device indicates about the same 2 Gauss, as well as this device, 2 Gauss. So for certain magnetization, like this very homogeneous magnetization, all 3 devices show about the same reading. This small bearing shell here has a very typical magnetization of the hardening process. You can see the pattern here. The magnetization is on a very small area. You can see the light flipping from red to green. That means there is a magnetic south pole here and a magnetic north pole over this side. The M-Test LL detects about 12.4 Gauss. This magnetometer cannot detect the magnetization. Same with this device here. There is no difference between here and here either. The last part here is a bigger gearing wheel here. With the probe here of the M-Test LL, I can detect the fields already from a certain distance. On the surface, I get about 18 Gauss. This magnetometer here measures only 3 Gauss. And this only 2.6 Gauss. So you can see the readings you get by measuring magnetism depends largely on the device you're using. And whenever comparing numbers, you have to specify how they were measured.